Using the code widget I'm gonna show you in this video, and you will be able to increase your Shopify store speed by 15% or more, depending on your setup. Best of all, the widget can be installed in less than a minute, and it's very easy. You just need to copy and paste the code. So, let's begin. Why store speed matter for your Shopify? Store speed is crucial for success in e-commerce. Unfortunately, Shopify stores tend to get slower over time due to an overuse of many applications in SEO, in referral, etc. Your original 16% speed score can drop to 40, to 20, or even more, 10%. And a fast laptop with a strong Wi-Fi, like you in your house when you use your website, is not the common of your customers. Your customers use older device or use slower mobile connection in the train, in the forest, at in the city, etc. So the conditions are not perfect. Focusing only on users with perfect internet connection and high device drastically reduce your customer bases. So, when Google PageSpeed shows a score under 20%, what you need to know is a red flag. You need to change something. You lose some sales on the table. Store speed, it's the best weapon you can use in your store. Many customers may struggle to load your store if it's slow. Some may not be able to load it at all, and this costing you some sale. Try this. Open your store without Wi-Fi, maybe outdoor, using your phone's mobile data. That's how many customers experience your store, on the go, on the bus, on the tram, like I said before. So, time is everything. Let me talk about some statistics. The average attention span is around 8 seconds. So if your store takes 10 seconds to load, you will lose many visitors. And most users will bounce after 3 or 4 seconds if your layout isn't visible. That's a very short amount of time. Some may never come back. So you lose some sale. You lose money. You spend money to bring people with ads, but you lose them because your store is slow. And how can we fix that? The solution. Here it is. First of all, you need to know something. It's easier as said than done. Speed optimization on Shopify can be complex, ongoing. Every app, image, or change can affect your speed. But here it is. Let's begin by step 1. How Shopify loads page. When a store loads, it puts the layout, then the images, styling, scripts, and then the website is visible for your customers. But most of apps aren't needed at first load. They should only load after user interaction, a scroll, a mouse click, or others. And at this moment, you will load the script that are too large to be loaded at the beginning, and you will gain some speed. Your store will be faster, your customer happier. But how can we do that? And that's what the code do. The code you just need to copy and paste. So the link is in the description. You click on the link, you will be redirected to the Saltable Agency website, my agency. The code is 100% free, don't worry. So in this article, you scroll a little bit. All this stuff, we'll talk about it in the video. And there it is. There is the code you need to copy and paste on your website. So it's some JavaScript and some Liquid, the language Shopify use. It modifies the Shopify async function and prevents all app script from landing with the theme. Instead, they are deferred and load after the page is fully usable. Result, the user sees the store faster, and there is less chance that they will bounce due to impatience. Let's start the demo. Just click to copy. Then the code is copied. Then you will go to your Shopify admin. Here, it's a demonstration website. You can see I have many applications and my store is pretty slow. First of all, you will click here and on duplicate. You always work on a duplicate site version of your main website, because if you do something strange, something will break the code, you can always delete and duplicate again the main theme. Okay? So I already duplicate the theme. Here it is. Then you click here and on modify code. Okay? Then you go to theme.liquid. So just write here theme, and then it will appear just right here. And you scroll a little bit. Again. And when you found content for header, that's the good point. And you will copy and paste the code just below content for header. But first of all, let's try the first version of my website. What is Google PageSpeed score? So you take the duplicate theme and you click on preview right here. Then on the bar, you click on copy preview link and you go to Google PageSpeed Insight. You copy and paste the URL and you click on analyze. So when we do this, you need to wait 30 seconds, 1 minute to have some data. It's a preview link. So preview link in general are lowest than the live website. But when we do some modification like that to enhance speed, it doesn't matter. You will see a change. So wait a minute. So we have the result, 54% in performance. Accessibility, best practice, SEO. We don't need this in this video. We just focus on performance, which is speed of your website. So 54%, let's see how we can update that. So remember, we copy the code. We go on your Shopify admin. We duplicate the main theme. We don't work on the main theme. Please don't make this mistake. Then on the duplicate code, you click here and on modify code. You search for theme.liquid and you scroll. And when you see content for header, you click here, enter, to add some space, and paste the code you copied. So this is the end of the code. Scroll to the top. This is the beginning of the code. Okay, you have some comments. The first thing you need to do, the second thing, the first is copy and paste. The second thing is you copy that comment and you comment the old content for header. The new is here. Okay? You don't want two content for header. So the code, and here you end the comment. Okay? And that's it. So now we need to test if this code is a success. So save the change. Then go back on your preview website, refresh, copy the preview link. Okay. Go on your Google PageSpeed Insight, delete the ancient, the oldest preview link. Normally it's the same, but as always, we do a good job, a minutious job, okay? And click again on Analyze to see the result. Okay, so cool. We have the result of the report. The speed up is now 75%. So we speed up the site by 21 points. That's pretty cool. If you want to speed up more your Shopify store and touch the 80, 90, 100%, you need to tweak some other thing on your Shopify store. And we will see that in another video. So if you like this stuff, like, subscribe, comment, share to a friend, an entrepreneur who want to have a better e-commerce. And see you tomorrow in another video.